this space, son.
Every child, we are all for every child. Evil child, who's a smile, greatest joy we define. Join our hands, give them home, give them food, education, give them love, show them love. We are all for every child. Hello, good day, everybody. This is Saint Romeo. I am the brand ambassador of Everychild Lifeline Foundation. And at the moment, we are the site, the proposed site for the construction of the School of the Poor and the Motherless Babies Home. So as you can see, we are still on the brick making. There is the ongoing work. We are trying to arrange the blocks so that we can create space for the other activities in the site, so we can get more blocks done. Come on, let me show you inside. This is indeed a very wide place. It's a very vast land. You know, all these places were cleared a few months ago, and you know that because of the rainy season, the bushes have covered all the places again. You know, but in no time we're going to clear all the parts where we can have our School of the Poor, where we're going to build our School of the Poor and the Motherless Babies Home. You know, let's walk around and see what's going on here. These are the field workers, and with us here is the founder of Everychild Lifeline Foundation. It's their life and direct. All right.
Hey, love, oh, can you listen to me? I need you. Hey, love, oh, can you listen to me? I want you. Hey, love, oh. My baby dati dati da dati dati da da oh da da oh. My baby dati dati da dati dati da da oh da da. Come on feel, come on feel, come on feel, come on feel, come on feel in my love oh. Come on feel, come on feel, come on feel.